Hey kittens, welcome or welcome back. So as you guys know, we have a Sosorowa haul. So let's move this box over and start unboxing the one on the right. So here are some cute freebies, and then first up are these A7 binder refills by A Bubble Crush. So next up is this cute pink planner, also by ABC. And now kittens, I need a drum roll for these 6-ring binder folder diaries that I am so in love with. Also a cute fun fact, all the shapes and designs on the covers are actually embossed, so you can actually feel them. So now we're going to open this one so you guys can see how the cover insert and planner refills look in this A7 binder. So next up is this cute A6 folder diary. So I decided not to fully unpack this one, but feel free to comment down below if you want a video on this A6 ring binder. So now I wanted to show you guys what was in my first order. Since I already unboxed it, I was way too excited, but I hope you guys continue to enjoy. So y'all, I think this 6-ring binder is so cute and a great way to store 4-cut photos. And next up is this super cute washi tape. And last but not least, we have Deco Stickers, which y'all know I am super excited about, and I can't wait to film journal with me videos with these. So kittens, here's a final look at everything I got. So be sure to comment below which item was your favorite from this haul. And to see any more stick string binder or stationery videos, be sure to check out my stick string binder playlist, and I'll see you guys in the next video.